Hey guys, want this? First get your clips ready. Now add keyframes at start and mid of the first clip. Now go to first keyframe and go to adjust saturation -50. Now go to second keyframe and this time saturation 0. Go to Effects, Video Effects and select Oblique Blur and adjust until end of the first clip. Now again go to Video Effects and select Color Glitch 2, Speed 40 and adjust it just like Oblique Blur. Now start adding keyframes from second clip start and end and start zooming at last keyframe. Repeat for all clips. Now go to Graphs, Ease Out 1. Repeat for all. Now go to Video Effects again, go to Nightclub and select Camera Shake, Range 100, Speed 10. Adjust it like me. Now go to Object and select all videos. Now add keyframes at start and mid. First keyframe range 100 and speed 10. Second keyframe range 0 and speed 10. Now copy and paste it for other clips too. Now again go to Effects and Nightclub select Shake, Speed 15, Intensity 25. Object all videos. Adjust it a little less than camera shake. Look how I am doing. Add keyframes. First keyframe 100, intensity 50. Second 0, intensity 25. Copy to remaining clips. Now go to Lens and select Blur 100, Object All Videos. Adjust it the way I did and add keyframes at start and ad. First keyframe 0 second 100 third 0 for the second clip and for remaining first 100 second 50 and third 100. Now add transition mix and click on Apply All. Now go to Overlay and add White Overlay. Zoom it to the screen and go to Blend Overlay 50. Adjust it until 0.2 seconds and go to Animation Out Fade Out Full. Copy to all clips. Export it. Thanks for watching, loves. Hope this video helped you. See you in my next video. Until then, take care.